Hello, this is a little demo showing how to provision Strimzi, which is Apache Kafka and Zookeeper clusters on Openshift, provisioning that from the service catalog into a project. For that I invoke the wizard that is provided through an Ansible playbook bundle. I go to the next configuration step. I can select the project that I'm interested in using here. I need the admin user and admin user password. On the screen I can also configure a bunch of settings, for instance the number of nodes for Kafka or Zookeeper in the project, but I go with the defaults here. Now let's go to the project. What's visible here is that there is a provisioned service that is triggered through the Ansible service broker itself. Behind the scenes in a different project, the setup is executed from a different Linux container that basically creates the Strimzi cluster operator, which is a Kubernetes operator that is responsible to set up the desired amount of Zookeeper nodes as well as Kafka nodes. Afterwards, it is also installing a topic operator, which is used to create topics or monitor or manage topics in Apache Kafka. As we can see here, all nodes are almost there. The last one that's currently installed is the topic operator that is used for the topic management. Once the setup is completed, we will see here that the pending is stopping. That means behind the scenes, now that everything is set up, the Ansible service broker itself is tearing down the project that was responsible to provision Kafka and Zookeeper into this demo project here. Now that we have already everything set up, we can, for instance, go to the command line and execute a command on one of the Kafka nodes in order to check how many topics are already created. Alright, I go with the OC exec command, and then on cluster 1, meaning 0, I execute the topics command to actually check how many topics are there. I need to be in the project, sorry. I was on the wrong project here. Alright, so now in this environment the executed command will be executed on one of the cluster nodes for Kafka, and here I don't really have one. Alright, how is topic management working with Strimzi and the topic operator? So the topic operator watches specific config maps that are describing a topic. We have a different Ansible playbook bundle for that as well. Again, I'm going to select the name of the project, then I have to decide what's the name of my cluster. In this case it's my cluster, the name, and I can give the topic a name now. New topic for tests. I can specify the number of partitions here. I go with 2, and I keep the other settings as the default there as well. I click create, and now I go back to my project. What we see here is another provision services there for the particular topic. Under this, behind the scenes, the Ansible playbook bundle is executed and creates a config map for my specific topic. We can, now that the service is provisioned, we can see here in the config maps that I have now a new topic being set up there. Let's go back to the command line. I can show you all the config maps that are there. Here's the one for the topic. Alright, the topic operator itself also supports the other way around. So for instance, when I execute a create topic command directly on the broker, it also goes ahead and creates the required config map. Let me show you this real quick. So here I'm going to create a test topic here, has a name my cool topic, and has replica and partitions 1. Okay, it has created that one, and now let me see, get the config maps. And as you can see here, here is a config map that's being created. So now let's again show the list of available topics in that particular cluster. I go with list, and it should have the ones that I created. One I created through the config map using an Ansible playbook bundle. The other one I created from the command line. Now I can also again delete this topic map. What was the name? My cool topic. So now behind the scenes, the topic operator from Strimzi goes ahead and actually deletes the topic in Kafka. Let's see if we still have it listed here. No, we don't. Now we can actually again execute a command inside of the broker to check if the topic has been deleted there as well. And as you see here, there's only the one topic that's created. So the topic operator basically gives you the opportunity to manage topics based on config maps in OpenShift. Thanks for watching.